Chidambaram, he is the senior Congress leader. I think I'm surprised to see his ex mentioning about the division and alleging the present crisis to the Chief Minister of Manipur, blah blah. These are the few problems what we notice people are facing due to the ignorance of some of the central leaders, mainly during the Congress time. Shri Chidambaram is the key person. He is the root cause of the present crisis. I'll tell openly, because when he was the Home Minister of the then Congress government, and here in Manipur, Shri Oibobi was the Chief Minister. During their time, they brought a Myanmarese foreigner, Mr. Guite, Thanglen Pyo Guite, who is a Myanmarese born, and he himself admitted in one of the interview that he contested MP in Myanmar. That person is the chairman of the Zomi Revolutionary Army based in Myanmar. But I'm surprised how Mr. Chidambaram, there is a photograph. This is the Chidambaram, the then Union Home Minister of the Congress. Here is the Thanglen Pao Guite, the chairman of the Zomi Revolutionary Army, who are from Myanmar. They never care about the Northeast peoples. They never care about the indigenous peoples. The present crisis is not an ethnic conflict. The present crisis is the problem of illegal migration from the Myanmar with drugs, and they try to dominate the indigenous populations of Manipur. Not only in Manipur, it has affected in the entire Northeast. So I'm funny to see his ex saying like this. But he should, I want to remind to him with these photographs, when he was the Union Home Minister, he allowed these foreigners to enter India, to enter Manipur, and even allowed to sign suspension of operation with the illegal migrants undergrounds. So he is the creator. They are the creator. Whatever we are facing today in Manipur, it is the creator of the Congress. So they cannot wash out their hand easily. People do understand the present crisis, the present problem, whatever happening in Manipur is a chronic, and also created by whom? Created by the Congress. By whom? Chidambaram himself. Here is the photographs. So I think this kind of allegations, this kind of propaganda should stop by the national leaders. Chidambaram is, after all, he is a national leader. He is a Congress veteran. He was the Home Minister of the Indian government. And I want to appeal to him not to play more destructive games to destabilize in the state of Manipur and the entire Northeast. My humble request is, आप लोग है ना, ये कांग्रेस का लीडर लोग, आप लोग सोचिए, आप लोग देखिए, आप लोग के टाइम में मणिपुर में क्या हुआ था, क्या 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 नहीं हुआ। फेक इनकाउंटर में कितना मारा है, सुप्रीम कोर्ट में अभी 1500 फैक्ट इनकाउंटर का केस है। ये चिदम्बरम जी आप खुद आके ये फॉरेनर को आपने रिकॉग्नाइज करके यहाँ पे शो को साइन करके इलीगल म्यांमारीज लोग को मणिपुर में लाने का काम आपने किया है। यू कैन नॉट एस्केप। मणिपुर का अभी क्राइसिस जो है ना, अभी ये इतनी क्राइसिस नहीं है। इट इज क्राइसिस बिटवीन द इंडिजिनस पीपल एंड इलीगल माइग्रेंट्स फ्रॉम द म्यांमार। रिसेंटली देखा होगा पुराना वाला ओल्ड सेटलर खादो मार सब मिलके, मैतई नागा सब मिलके हम लोग पीस के लिए हम लोग we have achieved and we have announced peace were restored already 3-4 months. But some bastard interested people who want to destabilize the state, who doesn't want peace in the state of Manipur, derail our effort for peace. But we will continue. I will continue to work for peace, and my government will continue to work for peace. Thank you.